Hello, people. So, after so long, I'm shooting a video because yeah, life has been so busy, as I'm sure it must be the same with you all. So, I realized something like YouTube is it it can hold you accountable, like in terms of like when you're not doing YouTube, it's like the whole world knows. Okay, now she's missed her YouTube for so long. So, anyway, I was like tying up some loose ends and all. So, uh, as of this video, I thought, like I said, I like doing these 1 minute reviews. So here, it's like a whole. There's this book called Born Again, that is, people, if you believe in reincarnation, you simply have to get yourself a copy of this book, Born Again by Walter Semque, Kiw, that's his surname. And he's written of the fact that right from Amitabh Bachchan to Abdul Kalam to Shah Rukh Khan, I mean, all these, really great personalities have come on this planet before. And, you know, this is a fat book, okay? It's like almost 400, no, is it 500 pages long? And yeah, pretty much. It is almost a 400-page long book, and it's a journey. So doing it giving a doing a 1 minute review will do it no justice, really. So it's a 5-star rating for this book, Born Again. So do try and read it, people, and it will change your perception towards life itself. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.